With this video, we would like to give you a short introduction to Letsfeedback. With Letsfeedback, it's really very easy to engage your audience and make your lectures interactive, even if you are presenting in front of hundreds of people. In a nutshell, you can create questions within seconds, and your audience answers them with their personal internet devices, like smartphones, tablets, and notebooks. Letsfeedback is a web-based service. You don't need to download any program or mobile application before starting. Simply navigate with your browser to letsfeedback.com. Click on the student-teacher login and you will see the login area. As a presenter, now enter your email and password, which you use for registration. And click Submit. The first thing now you see is a presenter dashboard. All boxes represent your lectures, classes, presentations. Let's first select a previously created class general knowledge assessment. Now you see the questions which I created before. The first one is an open-ended question and accepts free text answers. You can see how many people have answered and how many haven't. Clicking on View Answers shows you all answers which came from the audience as a list. The second one is a multiple choice question. This one has images as well as formulas which I created by using LaTeX. Clicking on View Answer will show us a chart. The next question type is numeric and allows only numbers as answers. Let's open the question. The correct answer is 76, and it's also possible to set the tolerance. Let's close the question and click on View Answers. In this case, one person has given the correct answer, one answer is within the tolerance, and the others aren't. The table view shows us all answers. Here you can set a question to active or inactive. Active questions can be seen by the audience, inactive ones not. So you can prepare a number of questions and set them to active in the course of your presentation. Let's add now a new question. If you click on Add, we will create an open-ended question. By clicking on Add Possible Answers, we start creating choices. Add, and now we created a new multiple choice question. At this point, we are ready with our questions. On the top right-hand corner of the screen, we can make them visible to the audience. These are already published and the login code for the audience is displayed. Let's click on Present Class in New tab. This will open another browser tab with the login instructions for the audience. You can either publish the link or open the QR code during the presentation, and your students can scan it to get to the questions. Let me show you now the student perspective. Here we see how it would look like if the listener uses a tablet or notebook computer. On the left-hand side, there are the questions from the presenter. Now the listener clicks on the last question which we created and selects an answer. On the right, the listener can ask the presenter anything and can see other questions or comments from the audience. It is possible to vote up questions, which is similar to a Facebook like. Now we return to the teacher interface. We look at our last question and can see that someone has answered. The presenter also can check if any comments or questions came from the audience and answer them selectively. Finally, there is a possibility to have everything what happened during a lecture documented in a PDF. Let's navigate to Class Options and download the report. Here you can see all the questions and answers you got from the audience. If you need additional help, please check letsfeedback.com or our Tumblr blog, or send us an email to hello@letsfeedback.net. Thank you very much for watching this video.